Are you stuck in an artistic rut, a plateau, where you can't see any progress and you don't know what to do about it? Do you wish your artwork was better and that you actually liked it? Would you like to know the tried and tested methods to making good art? In this video, I'm going to share all the secrets with a start to finish demo of my process while I'm explaining all these elements of a great painting to you, so you can see in real time with examples. In fact, I have 12 important tips and techniques to help you become a better, more accomplished artist fast. But in order to begin, you are going to need a little courage. So if you are ready to get out of your comfort zone and take some creative risks, then let's do this. A quick note about art supplies. I'll share a full list of the art supplies used in the description box below, and also as we are going along. But don't feel you need the exact same stuff. Use what you have and what you feel drawn to using, and I also suggest selecting a few items that you don't reach for regularly. Right, with that being said, let's move to my table and let's get started.